Welcome to Artory, the registry for art and collectibles. The Artory registry connects events in the life cycle of an artwork, tracking, for example, provenance, sales, inspections, or appraisals. Collectors are invited to confidentially register their artworks on Artory to receive a blockchain-secured certificate with digital signature from one of our registration partners that have vetted the information. By registering your artwork, you ensure that your artwork is associated with trusted, certified data that has been reviewed by leading experts in the art market. Register on Artory to become part of the art community with enhanced knowledge and confidence. In this video, we will walk you through the artwork registration process and explain how Artory works. To get started, let's assume that I own a work by 19th century painter Thomas Couture. To find the work I own, I can search Artory's artwork-centric database of over 3 million objects. Here, I can find my painting, Portrait of Charles Monguinot, which I purchased at auction in 1999. If you do not find a work you own in our database, you can still request registration. You will simply be asked to add information about the work in your request, rather than use what is already here. When I find the record that matches my artwork, I click Register Your Artwork. Artory works with independent third-party experts, such as Winston Art Group, to register. These registration partners review the information you provide, and once they have checked the artwork data, provenance, and the owner's KYC, they will issue a blockchain-secured certificate as evidence of ownership and as an indication that the information associated with the artwork has been vetted by a trusted expert. As a collector, if I work with a gallery, auction house, or advisor, they can register my work for free once they become a registration partner. If not, here, I can also receive free registration by selecting Winston Art Group to register my artwork. The information that Artory already has about my artwork will be auto-populated. All of the information I provide here is completely encrypted. Only Winston Art Group, as my registration partner, will be able to read it, not Artory and not the public. As you can see, I'm adding provenance information, uploading photos I've taken of my artwork, and giving my registration partner as much information about the artwork as possible. This helps to speed up the verification process. Next, I enter my personal information. As stated earlier, this information is only ever accessible to my registration partner. As a private collector, I will never be known by Artory or the public when I register my artwork. It does require a photo ID and proof of ownership in order for the registration partner to do a KYC check when obtaining a blockchain certificate. But again, this is never revealed to Artory or the public. After I've reviewed what I've entered, I can check Winston's terms and I'm ready to submit my request. Winston will typically take a few days to review your registration request. If they have any questions, they will let you know through your private encrypted messaging app in your vault. And you will be notified of any updates as well. As you can see, in the case of my Thomas Couture painting, I am notified of the registration, and the Artory registry is then updated with the new information. I can now clearly see that my artwork has updated provenance and description, and verification of the diligence done by Winston Art Group. My registration record reflects the work that was done by Winston. I'm free to request registration from another trusted partner, but here it's clear how much work was done. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. You can register your artwork today on artory.com.